all, a hearty congratulations to my fellow brothers and my dear sisters who recently passed their SCE examinations and got promoted to class 11, and a warm welcome to everyone. I, Prabhakar Gautam, resident of Pokhara 19 and also a student of Bhanubhakta Secondary Boarding School, grade 12, would like to deliver a short knowledge on the topic Constitutional History of Nepal, which I have acquired. Constitution is the supreme and fundamental law of the country and right of citizens. Every citizen has the obligation of protecting, respecting and abiding by the Constitution. As we know, 7 constitutions have been drafted till date, among which the first written constitution never came into enactment, and rest are as follows. Number 1. The Nepal Government Act 2004. The first ever written constitution of Nepal was named as Nepal Government Act 2004. It was issued on 1st of Vaisakh 2005. It has 6 parts, 68 articles and 1 schedule. Number 2. The Interim Government Act of Nepal 2007. This constitution is the second constitution of Nepal in terms of promulgation and first constitution of Nepal in terms of implementation. It was promulgated on 29th of Chaitra 2007. It has 7 parts, 73 articles and 1 schedule. Later, it repeats the Nepal Government Act 2004. Number 3. The Constitution of Kingdom of Nepal 2015. This constitution is the third constitution of Nepal in terms of promulgation and second constitution of Nepal in terms of implementation. It was promulgated on 1st of Phagun 2015. It has 10 parts, 77 articles and 3 schedules. Later, it repeated the Interim Government Act of Nepal 2007. Number 4. Constitution of Nepal 2019. This constitution is the fourth constitution of Nepal in terms of promulgation and third constitution of Nepal in terms of implementation. It was promulgated on 1st of August 2019. It has 20 parts, 57 articles and 6 schedules. Later, it repeated the Constitution of Kingdom of Nepal 2015. Number 5. The Constitution of Kingdom of Nepal 2047. This constitution is the 5th constitution of Nepal in terms of promulgation and 4th constitution of Nepal in terms of implementation. It was promulgated on 23rd of Kartik 2047. It has 23 parts, 133 articles and 3 schedules. Later, it repeated the Constitution of Nepal 2019. Number 6. The Interim Constitution of Nepal 2063. This constitution is the 6th constitution of Nepal in terms of promulgation and 5th constitution of Nepal in terms of implementation. It was promulgated on 1st of March 2063. It has 25 parts, 167 articles and 4 schedules. Later, it repeated the Constitution of Kingdom of Nepal 2047. Last but not the least, the Constitution of Nepal. The Constitution of Nepal is the 7th constitution in terms of promulgation and 6th constitution of Nepal in terms of implementation. It was promulgated on 3rd of Ashok 2072. It has 35 parts, 308 articles and 9 schedules. Lastly, I would like to conclude my topic with words of Vasant Lal, who said, "Knowledge of Constitution is the key for the holistic and integral healthcare, the true basis of any preventative medicines." Thank you.